Hey guys, welcome to the Gruppenplan guide for generating test data. Today, we'll show you how to enable the test data option in user settings, generate data for different sections, and use the data in an allocation. To use this feature, you must first activate it in settings. To do this, click on your user thumbnail, then click the display options icon. This will bring up a list. Click on Show button for generating test data and apply the changes. We have now successfully enabled the test data function. Next, navigate to the tab you wish to explore. Let's start with the People tab. I planned a trip with 43 colleagues, so I'll generate 43 sample names. To do this, click on Generate Test Data and select the number of names you wish to generate. Then click on Generate Test People and the names will appear. Now that I have my sample people, I can generate sample rooms. Similarly to before, I navigate to the Rooms tab and click on Generate Test Data. Here, you can decide whether you want to specify the number of rooms yourself or let the program automatically generate rooms for you. I'll let the program generate the rooms automatically. To do this, select Take Over from the number of people and click Generate Rooms. You can now see the program has automatically generated enough capacity with room to spare. Let's see what an allocation might look like. To do this, go to the Allocations tab and click on Search for a distribution. I can now see the first allocation. The final feature I can use test data with is groups. To do this, I navigate to the Groups tab and click on Generate Data. Here, I can decide what percentage of people I would like to assign into groups. For example, I'll assign half my guests. Click Generate Test Data and you'll see the sample groups appear. I can now return to the Room Allocations tab and search for a new distribution to see my groups correctly allocated. That's it. We've now successfully used the test data feature in each tab and used the data in our allocation. Don't forget to deactivate this feature once you are done testing, as accidentally replacing real guests with sample data could complicate the planning of a real trip. Well done! You now know how to generate sample rooms, groups, and people. Why not try it on your own?
Thank you for watching. Please give the video a like if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay updated on the latest tips and tricks. Goodbye from your Gruppenplan team.